Hey guys, today is Monday, February 3rd, 2025. This is my trade review. First trade in February. We'll start off with the market bias. With the SPYs, I had a more bearish bias. Yesterday, it was a huge red bar on I guess, kind of close to all-time high, and then it opened right here. I was kind of watching whether it would bounce up on this trend line, which it actually did, and it closed up above the 50 moving average at one point, and that's where it closed. Q's more or less the same thing, though Q's has been weaker than the SPYs overall. Open and then close, move down below this trend line and kind of push back up above the 50 and kind of close very similar to SPYs at the 50 moving average. So the only trade I took was pull. My gap list was not that strong today, so I made an effort to watch for something in the basket list. And for me, Apple was kind of in this no man's land area, which is kind of nice. I like the void. It was below this trend line that I drew, if you can see right there. So it did go up there and kind of failed right off the bat, like when it opened. So we'll dive into it. You can see the Apple trades right here, um, and denoted by the arrows. So the trade that I took when Apple tried to push up and fail this trend line, I really like it. I took a turnaround play essentially. So this one didn't really do anything, pushed up and then immediately got sold into. And then I got this half wick right here, actually two, failing the VWAP, which was nice. So my trade for Apple was 229.47. It was 229.50, but I counted for spread, so I got filled at 20.47 for a dollar stop loss. So it's pretty tight just because I got the little tail here. I felt very comfortable putting it in a dollar stop loss, and then it goes full 2R. I sold at this bar at 228.43 right here, just because I haven't really had a lot of follow throughs with the market since January. But this one goes a full 2R, I think 227.41. So right here, I would have got my full 2R. So. It is what it is. And then I decided to go back to sleep just because I didn't wake up feeling too good. This morning I had a late night last night, so I went back to sleep after securing the gain. But what had actually transpired was a 5 minute three bar play. I thought this was actually quite nice, and I think we could have been in it. So go like this. 60% retracement. I mean, you can pull it up here if you want. It's a 30%. Anyway, in any case, I thought this would have been something I traded for sure. You're at area support. Yeah, it closed above VWAP, but the next one it was under, and then you have this bar. And then if we just compare this to the market really quickly here, I mean, look at what the market did. Let's go to 5 minutes. Market was all the way back up, and this is weak. So this could have been another trade, another 2R. If I had managed this per my plan, it would have been 2R here, and this would have been another 2R. I mean, even if I made the same entry price, put it back up here, that's a clean 2R. So that would have been good. Another couple of stocks I was watching was Meta. Meta for me was coming back into this trend line area. If we looked at it on daily, like Meta's been super strong, right? So I was seeing if it would break that trend line, and it actually did break. I already closed down my computer at the time, so I wasn't watching this. But I think I would have contemplated on if if I was trading scalping, I might have shorted right here. And another one was Tesla. Um, just weak overall. I feel like for Tesla, I marked this point right here actually. This little trend line moving down relatively weak to a market, it couldn't really break past the 9 EMA. We put the options right there, write it down. This I guarantee this was going to be 30 cents. So just a few stuff I've been watching here and there. Got the options now. Didn't get an opportunity to trade it, but at least I have live data. I kind of see what the price action looks like now on Interactive Broker. So looking forward to it. My commitment right now is the first 2 weeks at least only trade options for spies and the queues, and then we can eat into the other basket stocks. In talking to one of my live traders, I guess classmates, a la Aaron, he said maybe not do Tesla and Meta because they're a little bit more spready or the spread's a little bit wide, so I'll heed his advice. So for now, at least just going to be spies and accused, and we'll eat into the other baskets like Apple, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, AMD. So today I ended off the day with a little bit over 1R, 1.04 for Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Thank you.